Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Bitcoin on Bitstamp. And for this we first click here on Pro, and then after that we go to Trade, and now we click here on BTC to USD. We already have Bitcoin standing right there, but normally you can search right here for BTC, click on BTC US dollars, and now you will see here the chart. Then what we need to do now is click here on limit order, select right here the limit price, so let's do 74.28, and then right now we can fill in the amount of Bitcoin that we want to buy. So let's do 0.0005, and that is $35. And then right now, if we click right here on buy Bitcoin, we can buy it. I don't have any money standing on this account, so that is why my buy Bitcoin button is not turning on. But if you have money standing on your account, and you can do this by going to deposit and throw cash to your account, or crypto, then you can buy it right here by just clicking here on buy Bitcoin. You can also put a stop loss or a take profit on it by clicking right here on it. And after that, you just bought your first Bitcoin. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.